Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. Even I am doing very well. So guys, before getting into the video, I'm gonna tell you something that I am doing the videos on the same day. Just because of that, I'm wearing the same dress. So please don't judge for my dress, which I'll get in the comment section, I'm sure, because there are people who always focus on my wear and they give comments saying you're doing you're doing the same videos with the same dress. So please don't judge in that way, because I just do videos in the same day, 2 to 3 videos in the same day, and I take some time for editing and upload in the next day. So I'm just gonna mention it before. Anyways guys, today in this video is again for the hair, which I'm doing it for the first time in the UK. Earlier this is already uploaded video in India, and there the seats are a bit different. So but the seats over here are very different, which I want to show you, because this will be useful for the people who came from India to stay here, and they can also use this, they can also follow this. And also there are so many Britishers which I'm getting SMS in the Instagrams, I mean messages in the Instagrams and also comments. So I got to know that there are some Britishers, Nigerians in my channel, so they are following me. So this will be useful for them, because they must have no idea about this. So what seeds to be used, because in India we get flax seeds. So this is a video about flax seeds, you must have got to know. So I'm applying flax seeds to my hair, and in India we get directly as a flax seeds, but here in UK you don't get flax seeds. I can show you how they are. So we find these linseeds. So these are linseeds which you will find here, and the seeds are just like this. The difference I found in the seeds is the length. In flax seeds in India, the length of the seeds are little bigger, but these I found very small seeds and very short. So I think it works same, and I've checked online, and I did research yesterday about this everything, and they said linseeds and flax seeds are almost same with the name difference. And the even this has omega-3 fatty acids, and even they have same, and all the vitamins and everything, which makes your hair to be conditioned, not only hair growing. I don't say your hair only your hair grows. I apply only for conditioning. So I may cut my hair, I may do styling, whatever I does, my hair should be very much conditioned, I feel. So whenever you cut your hair, you need a voluminous hair, is it? So it stop this flax seeds will stop your hair fall, and it makes your hair very moisture and conditioning, and you can see the flowing hair like this. So if you want a hair like that, just follow this video and just get it. And it is something like £1 here in UK, and in India I don't remember the price. It must be very cheap, something like 50 to 60 rupees a packet you get. So I bought in India from Big Basket. So if you can get, you have an option of organic. So if you have that option there, you can buy that. Here there was no option like that, but this is the best one. So I'm showing the procedure how to prepare the liquid. So this is the liquid which I made, and this is very very jelly, you can see. And yeah, so this I'm gonna apply to my hair now. This you can do once in a week, no issues how many times you can use, because it's full of omega-3, which is very good for your hair, and you can see a lot of change in your hair also. Yeah, that's it. We can start now. I'll first show you the procedure, how to prepare, and you can see the quantity, how much you have to add and everything. Then I'll show you how to apply this. So if you're watching my video for the first time and just see the subscribe button at the bottom of my video, just click that, and bell button beside that, and you will get a beautiful videos in the further, and very excited and very good informative videos. So without any delay, we'll just get started. So guys, that's it. It is very easy to apply. You must be thinking, as it is a gel, it must be very hard to apply. You can use the brush, but I feel with the brush it is very difficult because it just flow down. So I use hand, which is very comfortable, to drag the gel like this and apply as much as possible. So I have applied everywhere, to my scalp, to my hair, everywhere. So make sure there should not be any tangles before this. And I hope I think almost half of the liquid is already left. So I'll make sure to apply next week also, because my hair has become very dry because of this climate over here. So flax seeds application is very important for my hair now. So after applying, after 5 to 10 minutes, you can feel the water liquid coming out of your hair. Just don't just ignore it, because even it irritates. And so that's why I stay only for 1 hour and just go for a shower, because it irritates, it make your body and your dress very wet. So but still, for your hair you need to compromise all these things. But don't worry guys, you get a very good hair, and it's from my experience, and I'm using this from ages. So that's it for today, and maybe next week I'll apply it again, and I may not make the video, but you can also prepare it more for once, or it's your wish, and you can prepare like it doesn't take much time, so you can prepare it fresh and apply. So I think I can keep this in a box or somewhere in the fridge, and I can apply immediately, go there and apply, and I cannot stand and prepare again. So that's it. This is the video today, which is a very good and very simple video. You can follow it, just get it, prepare it and apply. That's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll be back with a new other video. Other than, stay tuned. Bye bye.